As a beginner content creator or someone whose business require all these 1 minute video, then you need to learn how to shoot and edit video all by yourself. Welcome to 30 days 30 content creation tips day 2. If you are just getting into content creation and you don't know how to shoot and edit video by yourself, then you are playing. Okay, relax. Let me tell you this for free. I am a filmmaker, cinematographer, and video editor, meaning my source of income is from shooting and editing for people. And yet I said you should learn how to shoot and edit yourself. Isn't that funny? Yes, it is funny. But at the same times, I don't think I need to hide the fact that there are some certain stuff you need to learn or you need to know as a beginner content creator. And learning how to shoot and edit yourself is among them. Content creators can benefit from learning how to shoot and edit their own materials for several reasons. If you want to know those reasons, comment down this video and please don't forget to share so others too can benefit from. See you in the next one.